Hello everyone, I'm April from Joyshan Machinery. It's a bubble washing machine. Later I will introduce this machine. This machine main includes three parts. The first one is the mesh belt for delivery, and the second part is the water recycling pump. The third part is the air blower. Okay, firstly is the mesh belt. The mesh size range from 3 mm to 10 mm. We can customize the size according to your product size. Also, you can see in each side there is a green one, so it can prevent some small pieces drop in the water tank. Also, the mesh belt running speed can adjustable by this motor. It's a reducer. You can see there is a hand wheel for opposite the mesh belt. On the top, you can see we can add the lubricating oil into this. Also, it's very easy open and close. Also, you can see it's a lubricating oil window. If it's in the middle line, okay, that's enough. The second part is the water recycling pump. When the water goes through, there is a water filter. Then the dirty will keep there. The cleaning water will go through the water recycling pump, then come out from the spray nozzles. Also, you can see the spray nozzle's direction is adjustable. The third one is an air blower. The air blower will make the air will go through with the pipe to the water tank bottom. There is a larger pipeline with small holes. Then the air will up to the water surface to make the bubbling. Okay, I will show you. It's an electric box. You can see the first row. The first row is the indicator lights, and we can see one by one. Bubble cleaning start, bubble cleaning stop. The two one is for the air blower, and the pump start, the pump stop is for the water recycling pump. And the delivery start and the convey stop. This is for the mesh belt, and it's an emergency stop. Here are some notices. The first one, when you receive this machine, please check if there is any damage and put this machine into proper place and adjust this piece to make sure to support this machine and make sure the wheels won't be touch the floor. Also, the face can make this machine in level floor. Second, you can see there are three wastewater outlets. You need to connect with the water pipe. Also, this is overflow gap. You also need to connect with the water pipe. You can see it's for second washing part. You need to connect fresh water pipe. Okay, for now, you can connect the main cable in the box. Let's open it. We just need to connect the main cable here. Here is another notice. You can see it's air inlet. Please do not block. And the second one, on the reducer, please do not turn it when the mesh belt not running. Okay, before testing, we need to fill water into the tank. After daily work, we need to clean the water tank. Firstly, we need to drain with the water out and we use fresh water to clean inside. When something drop here, we need to lift the mesh belt. How it works, let me show you. Firstly, we need to release the quick coupling, and we need to lift the mesh belt and clean inside. After cleaning, and we need to put it in back. Okay, that's all. Thank you.